Hey friends, today we're checking out my most recent purchase of these chair wheels. Now, I originally bought these because I am a bigger guy, over 400 pounds, and I keep breaking wheelchairs, or the wheels on the chairs. They last about 6 months to a year, and they break, and I've tried many of them, and the only ones that have lasted is the ones that I currently have on my chair right now. Right there, boom, bada boom, and those are these right here. But I recently had them break on my chair at my office, so I wanted to get the same set. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you what these are all about and why they're great for heavier people like myself. Now, I did check out some wheels that look pretty cool, like the ones that look for like a rollerblade. It was just a single wheel, but I found that those really dug into the carpet or into the rug or into the, I have a piece of plastic down here, their chair protector, and it really was not able to move because it put all that weight onto a single point on each wheel, where I needed something with double wheels. So pick these up, and what I love about these is that they are wide. So you know a little bit about physics and stuff like that. If you have a wider base, if you have wider wheels, you're going to distribute that weight a lot easier, and you can move a lot more. So as you can see here, these are definitely very wide wheels. They're thick wheels, and these things are definitely the toughest wheels that I've been able to find on the market today, and they definitely can hold my weight. They're easy to move around. I have not had any trouble with these, and I've had these on this chair that I'm sitting in right now for over 2 years now. Absolutely love these things. But it's time to upgrade the ones at my office. So let's do it. And through some movie magic, they are now all installed. Took me no time whatsoever. And these things roll really smooth. Really happy with these. Like I said, I use these on my home office, and now I have them at my day job office. Absolutely love these. And you can see here's the difference between the old wheels and the new wheels. Definitely a huge improvement. So if you're a bigger guy or bigger person like I am, I highly recommend these. Absolutely love these wheels. They're smooth, they're quiet, super easy to install, and definitely 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you guys on next video.